Hey y'all, it's your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews. And since we are drawing a close on the holiday season, for us Latinos, we celebrate the Three Kings Day, which is on January 6th. So soon after the 6th, everything does get put away, sadly. So I just wanted to show off the few things that I was able to do as a DIY. And I believe I can link a number of videos in the description box where I got the idea. This obviously is from Bargain Bethany. Hers is a little more high up, and I just wanted to keep it a little more simple. But you have the option if you want to expand, you can buy more crates, more wooden crates, and then put them in the bag so they kind of stand out a little more. The coffee bar sign is from the Target Bullseye. But most items here are either created by hand or I bought from the Dollar Tree. They're do-it-yourself ornaments that I filled up with hot cocoa. This is my coffee bar, obviously. The signs and even the lettering I used with all products of the Dollar Tree with their markers and their little cutie signs, even down to the little trees. I put the little embellishments of the jingle bells. I have some caramel back here, some fudge, chocolate fudge, some cinnamon sugar in the back, marshmallows, the nice milk-like looking candle that I created, also from Dollar Tree, their cookie tin, their mug of I'm Dreaming of a White Christmas that I got to share. I don't know if I showed you guys this too, that you can also get at the Dollar Tree. They're candy cane spoons and their milk chocolate spoons that I put in this cute little container from the Dollar Tree. Their poinsettia napkins that I still have, I might keep around just because I'm expecting I'm going to do a little small get-together this month, so I'm going to keep those available. They're tablecloth with poinsettias as well. They're a cute little Santa bucket that you can fill up with anything, flowers, candy, whatnot. I put this lovely ornament on here that also is from the Dollar Tree. This ornament was clear and I filled it up with glitter and added this nice joy. The ribbon as well is from also their gift section. When you pull up the nice little tin bucket, you can see it's my 'Tis the Season plate, all from the Dollar Tree. This was from the Dollar Tree from last year. That also went really well with my table decor that year. My Merry Little Christmas bucket. Merry Christmas Santa sleigh, and I added this little wooden portion to it, hot glued it. And then I've painted it with the Target Bullseye acrylic paints. My cute little gnome. And my nice little cute elf, little female elf. You can see with the nice little cute skirt. Thought she was lovely. And this is the upper portion of the ribbon, as you saw with the nice bucket. My pine cones from years prior from the Dollar Tree that I kind of put all together. This nice, this actually is like their containers that you can use for coffee or sugar, and I filled it up with, you know, their candy cane looking candy. Added some embellishments. My lovely peace tree with all the embellishments, the poinsettias and the lights. These two I spray painted white and added the nice lettering, also from the Dollar Tree, all available from the Dollar Tree. Also their cutlery as well. The golden ones are from from Target, but the silver ones are from the Dollar Tree, which you can see they're really nice and pretty. You can see my lovely decanter that I was able to use for New Year's. Moving on, just want to show y'all what it looks like with the lights off, but still very pretty. My background decor, let me turn off some lights so you can see. My Have Yourself a Little Merry Christmas sign from the Target Bullseye. The ribbons are from the Dollar Tree. This pretty light is from Five and Below, so I was able to do like a mismatch of a number of shops. my snowflakes that I try to have kind of cascading down. As you can see, here's my cute little snowflake. This ornament that has the buffalo check pattern is from the Dollar Tree, and so is this one. You can see I've added these embellishments. The jingle bell, the big giant jingle bell that they have. They've had little ones and they brought really big ones this year. Even down to the colored lights above. That's the tree garland. You could put on anything. And a few other ornaments that I've bought from years prior at the Dollar Tree. And of course, their duster that kind of is a nice dupe for snow. Even down to the card. That's a card. That's their 3D card. A nice beautiful logo of Merry Little Christmas with the buffalo check. It looks like a mason jar, if you can see. It looks like a nice mason jar up top. And my Farm Fresh from their calendar series at the Dollar Tree. They're Farm Fresh. And the frame, the picture frame is from the Dollar Tree, spray painted it white and added this nice cute embellishment. Also, this is from their DIY section, their ornament. Added some like small glass particles to adorn the outside of it, and added some pearls on the inside. I think you can see. Let me see. Yeah, you can see the pearls on the inside. So it looks cute because it looks like a nice little snowball. And that's my background before I change it. Hope it looks nice and pretty. And the adorning lights, these lights are from Five and Below that I've had for almost 2 years. This is also, this was a new addition to the Dollar Tree. Their big buffalo check sign, also saying it's the most wonderful time of the year. Added some tree garland, some poinsettias, the buffalo check ribbon, my lovely gnome that I've hot glued says welcome, and a gnome ribbon with these berry embellishments that I hot glued. These cute lights also from Halloween. I just took off the skulls and I thought it looked really pretty or bright. And their stocking, their Santa stocking of this year. These poinsettias are really big and glittery. This is from the Dollar Tree as well, but it's from like 3 years back. So I just kind of popped it in along with the whole sock, but it looks really pretty. This is how you see it in the dark. And to accompany it, my Target lights. Always reminds me of a department store for some reason. I really love them. And because they're just so unique. They have this nice dome. I hope you can see it. A nice dome appearance as opposed to the traditional Christmas tree lights. Now this is also in my bathroom. The picture frame is from the Dollar Tree. This is also from their calendar series, and I just love that it looked like a wreath, so I added these embellishments on the side. My little nice, basket in the side on the side, so my guests can indulge in a little bit of Christmas cheer. It has a little Santa belt. It has a couple of like hand creams and Santa cam. Also, this too I filled with pine cones from Target, and the Christmas ornaments are from the Dollar Tree to accompany my nice pretty scented candles from the Dollar Tree. This is another sign that was new this year, which I thought was just so cute, and it accompanied well with my camera, my little Santa cam. This house is under elf surveillance. It's really nice, has this glitter trimming, really pretty. Added another garland outside of my room and just balled up all these ornaments together to give it that nice pretty effect. Another lovely sign of from the Dollar Tree. I bought this one a year or two ago, and it says Merry Christmas, nice glittery lettering. And the tree added these little embellishments to make it really look like a Christmas tree. And of course, my buffalo check ribbon. Of course, my wreath, which I'm still very proud of, and I added that little nice jingle bell effect with its nice hanger and the happy holidays that I hot glued onto the beautiful cute little owl. He's from last year, because you can see he's just a solid nice fuzzy furry cutie. But let's show you this year's wreath. This is this year's wreath with this year's owl. As you can see, the buffalo check on his tummy. And I've added these cute LED multicolored lights. Let's see if I can take off the flash. Yeah, that was cute. And I added those embellishments of the poinsettias, the pine cones, and the green and red ornaments and ribbons. So you could, let me pan to my haul. Way all with ornaments of the Dollar Tree. And these Target lights that some of them twinkle. Some of them are stagnant, some of them are twinkle. And all of this is from, these ornaments are from the Dollar Tree, poinsettias, even down to this other pretty sign too, which I added this ribbon and whatnot. That sign also is from the Dollar Tree. And there you have it, folks. That's my sign. Those are my signs. These two are pretty as well. It's supposed to give you that kind of like regal era, you know, music notes type of feel. It says the first Noel. It's yeah, musical musical notes. So I know I came across it with another YouTuber. So I've made two, and I hang every year. And no, your eyes do not deceive. It's a little stained with a little bit of coffee, and it gives it that nice antiquated, antique-looking aesthetic, which I love. And there you have it, folks. Hope you've enjoyed my decorations and my DIYs. I'm working on actually doing them and then videoing them, but I always run out of space on my phone. But I thought I'd show you at least the finished product, especially now that I'm gonna have to be removing them because the holiday's over. But yes, y'all, if you like what you've seen, give us a like, leave us a comment down below. If you'd like to follow me, hit the subscription button and notification button for my next upload. And until next time, y'all, XOXO, Nerdy Girl.